Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a video call on Skype. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch a Skype application, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Skype is a proprietary telecommunications application that allows you to keep in touch with free video chat, messaging, and affordable calls. You can create instant online video calls with one click, no download required. So now that you know a bit of what Skype is about, let's really hop into today's text, which is how to make a video call on Skype. So from the left corner of your screen, you're going to see a couple icons representing diverse features, and they include chats, calls, contact, and today. So head over to chat, and once you click on chat, you're going to see a list of the people that you can chat with. And actually have one person on my list, even if this person is still yet to accept my invitation. So this favor, so just go ahead and click on the chat that you want to place a call on or place a call with. So just go ahead and click that, and it's going to take you right into this window. This is a chat window. So if I want to make a video call with this person, there are two ways to go about this. Now, you can check the left corner of your screen where you have the settings icon right next to the person's name, and it's going to take you here. Now you have send message, start a call, start video call, start private conversation, share the call, share contact, and create new group. So go ahead and click on start video call, and it's going to take you right into the video call window where you can now start your video call. I'm going to do that. So I'm just going to click on that, start video call, and it's going to take me here. So video call started. Yeah, but that video call is not going to pull through because this person is not online. Okay, so I'm just going to take you through the next step. Check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to see this video icon and this phone icon as well. So just go ahead and click on the video call icon, and all right, you see it's here. So that's pretty much it. This person is not online, so it's not pulling through. But that's pretty much how you can make a video call on Skype. Now, you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.